Wee. Dum dum Wee. Dum dum Wee. Dum dum Wee.
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus!
Fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Quiz time. Which dog breed has a black tongue? Chow Chow or Bloodhound? Please let me know in the comment section, and to know the answer, watch the video till the end.
Hermano, tú. My little angel, my little love, I love you.
Ready, go! Ready,
I know many of you got the correct. The right answer is Chow Chow. While most dogs have cute pink tongues, the Chow Chow has a black tongue. If you subscribe to our channel in 3 seconds, then the dog will show you magic trick to make you smile. And do watch the video till the end to get another quiz question.
Huh? Come here, bud.
The toothpick.
Some traffic light bags, okay? Greenies go. Going out.
Maddie, TikTok hasn't verified you yet. How does this make you feel?
You can't touch this.
I love eating chicken. What the fuck? See all this shit? Are you shit fucking me right now? Here you go.
Look how cute she is. Check this out, guys. Come on. Come on, baby.
Guys, hey, I just want. Okay, Okay, what I was trying to say was.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim.
Here is your second quiz question. Which 4 colors can a dog see? Black, red, white, blue, yellow? One of the color is wrong. Guess the color. Please let me know in the comment section, and to know the answer, watch the video till the end.
What the fuck? Dude, flip!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah, I got a package. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, get your dog. Ah! Ah! Get your dog. Get your dog. Get your dog.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ah! Get your dog. Get your dog. Get your dog. Ah!
I really wanted to buy this puppy, but my girlfriend said that if I did, there'd be a 50-50 chance that she might leave me. And those odds were way too risky for me, and I didn't want to take any chances. So I ended up buying 2 puppies to make sure my girlfriend leaves.
You made up to the end. The answer for second quiz is black, white, blue, yellow. For many years, we have believed the myth that dogs are colorblind. While they cannot see as many colors as humans, research has found that they can see black, white, blue, and yellow. If you like our video, do subscribe to the channel, and the dog will give you his heart to you. Thank you.